Dear students, welcome you to session 6 video of the chapter Working Capital Management, Financial Management 2nd of 6th semester BCom of Mangalore University. In this session, let us determine the gross operating cycle and the net operating cycle. So, operating cycle method is being used to find out the working capital requirements. Now, the following information are available in respect of Surya Limited. Average stock of raw materials 2 lakh, average stock of work in progress 3 lakh, average stock of finished goods 1,80,000, average debtors 3 lakh, average creditors 1,80,000. Raw material purchased and consumed during the year 36 lakh, cost of production during the year 45 lakhs, cost of goods sold during the year 64 lakh 80,000, sales during the year 72 lakh. The information regarding a firm, the information regarding the raw materials, work in progress and the finished goods are given along with the information of debtors and creditors. The question is calculate gross operating cycle and net operating cycle. Assume 360 days in a year. So we are assuming 360 days in a year, that is mainly for the ease of calculation. Now, first we'll have to calculate the gross operating cycle. So, gross operating cycle is equal to the inventory conversion period plus the debtors conversion period. So, inventory conversion period is the raw material conversion period plus the work in progress conversion period plus the finished goods conversion period. And to that we have to add the debtors conversion period. So this is the gross operating cycle. Now we'll see how we find out the raw material conversion period. So raw material conversion period is equal to average stock of raw materials divided by the raw materials consumed per day. Now when you look at the question, we have information about the average stock of raw materials, and we also have the information about the raw materials purchased and consumed during the year. So we have this information pertaining to year. Now we have to find out the information pertaining to the raw material consumed per day. So this can be found out this way: 2 lakh divided by 36 lakh divided by 360, which can be written in this way: 2 lakh divided by 36 lakh into 360, or otherwise you can find it out like this also: 2 lakh divided by 36 lakh divided by 360, which is equal to 10,000. So 2 lakh divided by 10,000 is equal to 20 days. The same thing in an easy way we can calculate, that is 2 lakh divided by 36 lakh into 360, which is equal to 20 days. So how we are doing it? It is actually 2 lakh divided by 36 lakh. 36 lakh is the raw material consumed per year, divided by 360, which is actually the number of days in a year. So it is actually 2 lakh divided by 36 lakh divided by 360, which can be written in this way: 2 lakh divided by 36 lakh into 360, which is equal to 20 days. Or otherwise we can calculate in another way: 36 lakh divided by 360, that is 10,000. What is this? Raw material consumed per day. So what is average stock of raw materials? 2 lakh divided by raw material consumed per day is equal to 10,000, which is equal to 20 days. So in either of the way this can be calculated. Next one is the work in progress conversion period. So work in progress conversion period is equal to average stock of work in progress divided by cost of production per day. Cost of production is 45 lakh. So 3 lakhs is the work in progress stock divided by 45 lakhs divided by 360, which can be written as 3 lakh divided by 45 lakhs into 360, or if you find it difficult, you can do it the other way: 45 lakhs divided by 360, that is cost of production per year divided by the number of days in a year, which is equal to 12,500. Then work in progress conversion period is equal to average stock of work in progress 3 lakh divided by the cost of production per day 12,500, which is equal to 24 days. Or if you calculate this way, 3 lakh divided by 45 lakhs into 360, which is equal to 24 days. The next item is the finished goods conversion period, which is average stock of finished goods divided by cost of sales per day 18 lakhs divided by 64 lakh 80,000 into 360, which is equal to 10 days. Next is the debtors conversion period. So here we have this information about the credit sales. The sales, we assume that all the entire sales 72 lakhs are credit sales. If information is given regarding the credit sales, we'll have to take it accordingly. Now we have the information about the debtors and the sales, so we can assume that the entire sales are credit sales. So debtors conversion period is equal to average debtors divided by credit sales per day. So what is given is credit sales per the entire year per annum. Now we are converting it to credit sales per day. So 3 lakh divided by 72 lakhs divided by 360, which can be written as 3 lakh divided by 72 lakhs into 360, or otherwise 72 lakhs divided by 360, we get the credit sales per day, which will be equal to 20,000. So 3 lakh divided by 20,000, which is equal to 15 days. So gross operating cycle is equal to raw material conversion period, work in progress conversion period plus finished goods conversion period plus debtors conversion period. So 20 days plus 24 days plus 10 days plus 15 days, which is equal to 69 days. Then we have to find out the net operating cycle. Net operating cycle is equal to the gross operating cycle minus the creditors conversion period. So creditors conversion period is equal to creditors divided by credit purchases per day. So the entire purchases are taken as the credit. Raw material purchased and consumed during the year 36 lakh, entire amount is considered as the credit purchases. 1,80,000 divided by 36 lakh into 360, which is equal to 18 days. So the net operating cycle is equal to 69 days minus 18 days, which is equal to 51 days. So we have the gross operating cycle 69 days, and we have the net operating cycle, which is equal to 51 days. Students, if you have any doubts, please ask me. Thank you.